like, wow. Please leave me some smokes. Well, my goodness. Oh man, you're a pro. You got another one. Hey. Hey. Oh my gosh. Please don't eat my cigarettes, please. No. He's getting them out of the box. Watch this. He's got 2 of them out already. I mean, he's... Look! You sure it's not a house pet? He was here yesterday. Look at this though. And he had him in his... I was tripping out. Oh, you like that cornbread? Heck yeah. You're awful pretty. I just don't want you to come over here and get me. I'm wondering if it's a house bird, Dad. Like a pet.
Unusual for a blue jay. Usually they ain't that friendly.
You're very polite. Thank you. Thank you. Yep. You gonna have a smoke? Dude, those are expensive. You already got them all out. Ooh. Oh, Dad! Don't do that.
Sit there and destroy a cigarette. It looks like he'd been eating on the...
I know. I'm tripping out on this bird. Dad, I think it's a house pet. I don't think this is a wild bird at all. He wants to. Oh.
Beaks are hard though. He can hit you pretty hard with it.
I know. That's what I mean. I don't want him to come over here and take my eye out.
Weren't you against smoking or what? Surgeon General says it's bad for your health.